I'm going to help you out with some of these problems. Okay, so be ready. You purchase a stock in textile manufacturing company for $30 per share. Another word, per. Monday, the stock gained $8. Gain is addition. So here, remember, gain means add. Okay. On Tuesday, the stock lost. Loss means subtract or a negative number. Okay. No mistake. Or negative number. And then on Wednesday, the stock lost. So again, loss is negative or subtraction or subtract. Okay, so we are talking about add and subtract integers. Write an expression that represents the opening price of your stock when the market opens Thursday. So for example, let's look there. Well, it started at $48, so 48. But on Monday, we gained 8, so we're gonna add plus 8. And on Tuesday we lost 12, so plus negative 12. And then on Wednesday we lost $2, so plus negative 2. So what you can do is you can gonna combine two ways to do it. Combine all your positives. Okay, those are two positive numbers. So that's 48 plus 8, which is 56. And then once you combine your two negatives, okay, that's a negative number right there, and that's a negative number there. So negative 12 plus negative 2 is, of course, negative 14. Okay. Now, think there now. By rule, when you're adding integers, if one's positive, one's negative, well, you actually subtract. So it's 56 minus 14. Well, that's going to give you 42. Now, is the answer positive or negative? Well, depends on who's further away from zero. Whose absolute value is bigger? That's what you're asking. This has a bigger absolute value, so my answer is $42. Okay. Number 2. The table shows some of the top 10 leaders in the golf tournament after playing their 9 holes. One expression that represents the difference. Look at the keyword. Difference. And this difference means subtract. Okay, subtract. So between the scores of the golfer that is in 5th place and the leader. So first of all, who is the one in 5th place? Okay. So look at it. Escribes una expresión representando la diferencia entre el posición, quinto posición y el líder. So let's see here. Who's in 5th place? Dawson. So 3, the difference, la diferencia. So vas a restar. And so think there. Murphy is at negative 8, so this is negative 8. And so remember your strategy, either KFC, which is keep, okay, just keep, flip, and change. So I'm going to keep the first number, flip it to addition, and change the negative 8, I'll put in parentheses, you can see it. So keep, flip, and change. So keep 3, flip to negative to plus, change the negative 8 to a positive 8, and now it's just 3 plus 8, which is 11. That's the answer. Look at this next one here. A submarine submerged. Okay, submerged means we're going underneath. Okay, underwater to a depth of 650 feet below sea level. Look at that, below sea level. So sea level, let's say this is water below sea level. Aquí está 0. Over here is your positive numbers, and over here is your negative numbers. So aquí está el 0. The water below sea level is negative. Above sea level is positive. So think that it ascends. I'm sorry. to it. Let's see, submerged to a depth of 650 feet. So it's here somewhere. Let's say here it's 650 feet. Okay, so we're here. It ascends, vas a ascender 225 feet. So from here, you went up. Okay, now you're here. And then dives 50 feet. And then you're going to go down again 50 feet. Okay? And so write an additional expression that represents a new position of the submarine. So think that you submerge to a depth of 650 feet. So you're 650 feet below sea level. You see that? 650 feet below. Those are the negative. It ascends. So ascend vas ascender. So it's a positive. So it's 225. And then you dive. When you dive, you're going down. So it's a negative. And so now it's a basic addition problem. Well, add your negatives first, okay, which is this guy, that's a negative, and that's a negative. Well, what's 650 plus 50? Remember, when they're both negatives, you add them together. So this will give you negative 700 plus 225. By rule, once negative, once positive, you subtract and keep the sign of the greater absolute value. So I'll let you finish this part. Look at number 4. In Louisiana, the highest point of the elevation is Driscoll Mountain at 535 feet above sea level. Look at that word above. And the lowest point of the elevation is in New Orleans at 8 feet below sea level. The next expression that represents the difference. Look at that word difference, la diferencia, between the two measures. So first of all, difference means subtract. So I'm going to put subtraction sign in there. Subtract. So between these two measures. So think there. This guy is 535 feet above. Above, so it's a positive number. This guy is 8 feet below. So that means he's a negative number because he's below. And here, use the K FC strategy. Keep, flip, change, keep, flip, negative to positive, and then make this a plus, a positive number, and then you add them together and you get the answer. And file number 6. Let us right there. So Felipe kept track of his earnings and expenses for the past month. Write an additional expression that represents the amount of money within he has at the end of the month. Okay? So let's see. Babysitting, he makes money. Let's look at the ones he makes money. It's positive. He makes money there, and then he makes money over here. The ones he spends money, so gastó dinero, it's the negative. So si gasta dinero es negativo. Si es positivo, es el dinero que gana. So first of all, let's add up the positives. So 30 plus 25 plus 100. That's going to give me what? 155. Okay, now let's add up the negatives. Okay. Negative 24 plus negative 58. And how much does that give me? Yeah? If they're both negatives, you add them. So 58 plus 24, that gives you 82. And you keep the sign of both numbers. And so now you just have to add these together. Okay, so add this, and you get the answer. Okay, add it together and you get the answer. The next one, in Texas, the highest temperature recorded was 120 degrees on August 12, 1936 in Seymour. The lowest temperature recorded was negative 23 degrees on Friday, -30 in Seymour. An expression that represents the, look at the keyword, different, la diferencia. Okay, so think there, the difference. Okay, difference. This is 120, 120 there. Okay, 120, the difference, subtract. Okay, por eso puse restar porque dice diferencia. Negative 23, so negative 23. And then from here, all you do is KFC, keep, flip, change. So 120 plus 23. Find the answer and solve it, and you'll get the answer. Alright, so hopefully this is helpful. Adios.